Welcome to Namecheap. Today, we'll show you how to make your own logo in a few easy steps using Logo Maker. As part of our visual suite of brand design tools, Logo Maker harnesses the power of AI to create high-quality, custom logo designs for your business or personal brand in just minutes. To get started, sign up for a free account at namecheap.com. This allows you to save the logos you create so you can access them at any time. Next, navigate to the Logo Maker homepage. Enter your brand name and click Create Free Logo. If you'd like, add your industry or type of business on the following page before pressing Continue. Select your preferred font style. Our algorithms will narrow down the options from hundreds of choices to match you with the best fonts. Now it's time to choose your color palette. Logo Maker provides helpful descriptions to guide you in finding the best fit for your brand identity. If your company has a slogan you want to include in your logo, enter it here before continuing. Pick out 3 icons to integrate into your logo design. Use the search box to find images related to your brand. In just seconds, you'll have dozens of unique logo options at your fingertips. Take a moment to look through and find one that's closest to your vision. After selecting a logo, you can make tweaks to the design, like adjusting the color, swapping in a new icon, or changing the layout. Download your new logo or save it to your Namecheap account. You can create, save, and download as many free logos as you like. With Logo Maker, it only takes a few minutes to create an eye-catching logo for your brand. Get started today by heading to namecheap.com.